Hi, welcome back again to this channel, and this is gonna be a very quick video. If you're here for the first time, you can go back and check all our videos, and you can see that this channel is about tips how to make things easy when you're dealing with your car, and we'll show you the small things that most people um, don't think about. So this video is about uh, the lights on your tags. The tags you see that your car. Uh, some people call it tag, some people call it number plate. The number plate of your car. I'm using this toolbox here, but you can see this. This is where the number plate is over here, and each vehicle has some lights. You can see there's one here on the right side, and there's one here on the left side that each and every vehicle has. And this one here is a GMC Canyon, but it's similar to most of these trucks and most vehicles. How to replace this bulb, the light, this bulb that at night you are required by the law to have a light showing your tags or your number plate. And I'll show you how to change that bulb so you avoid being stopped or being pulled over or getting that ticket. Uh, those bulbs have to be on all the time, especially when it's dark at night. Okay, and we'll go under this vehicle here, and I'll show you. So we'll come under here. You can see I earlier on pulled this connection down. You can see it here. You see there. It's a very small bulb. It's if bulb size, it's 194 or 168. 194, 168, depending on how bright you want it. But 194 is good. That small bulb here, size 194. So you can see what you do is, if you come under this vehicle here on the driver side, in the back, on the driver side, if you put your hand down in here, you don't need any tools to do this. You can do this with your hand. All you have to do, you have to put your hand deep in here to pull this this connection, so this bulb socket connection from the hole. The hole is, if you follow here, if you follow from the outside here, from the outside, you can see the light is right there. The light is right here in the corner. So you follow under there, by putting your hand in there where the light is, and twist it from the socket. You can fit your hand in there. It's easier on the other side, which I'll show you shortly, than on this other side, because here you can see we have the tailgate here, the tailgate mechanism here. You know what I mean? But you can still fit your hand in there, or if you can't fit your hand in there, if you have a little kid, or if you have someone with a small hand, you can have them put their hand in there, and then this will come out. You can change the bulb. Once you change the bulb, you put it back in there and twist it to lock it in back in there. It's as simple as that. You don't need any tools. And like I say, the bulb size is 194, 168. I'll take you here on the passenger side. On the passenger side, you see there's more space here. You don't have the spare tire here, so you can easily it's a big space here. You can see you can put your hand in there. It's a big space here, and you can put your hand in there and change it. That's how you change that bulb. Yeah, you don't need any tools. You can see the wire goes right under here. So you just twist the wire. open and change the bulb and put it back in. It's as simple as that. So always make sure that your bulb number plate or tags, your plate tags light is working, because it's a requirement by the law. And let me show you the packaging of this is the bulb here. Show you. You can see it's a beautiful day outside today. So this is the bulb. It's long life Sylvania number 194. That's the number right there. Most vehicles just change that small bulb. There's a small bulb in here. Change it and everything will be okay. So this was a quick video. If you have any question, you can ask there in the comment section. If you have any comment, just leave it there and check our other videos for more information, more small tips about cars and traveling. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.